Matters have taken a dramatic turn at the trial of the former National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, Mr. Metuh, as he continues to be absent from proceedings. On the 22nd of January, Mr. Metuh informed the court through his lawyer that he was on admission at the Nnamdi Azikiwe Hospital and therefore did not attend trial. His lawyer, Onyechi Ekpeazu, makes an application asking for an adjournment to enable Mr. Metuh to recuperate and continue his trial. The prosecutor, Mr. Sylvester Tahir, however, asked the court to revoke Mr. Metuh's bail and commit him to prison to ensure he does indeed attend trial. Mr. Tahir faults the January 21, 2018 medical report from the Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital in Ewi, Anambra State. He further states that the steps taken by Mr. Metuh had undermined the administration of criminal justice, and to the extent the bail granted the defendant should be revoked.
There is an attempt to play with the proceedings. The proceedings is being turned into a joke. And I had to rely on the extant provisions of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act to make the application which I made, seeking the revocation of the bail of the first defendant.
However, counsel to Mr. Metuh, Onyechi Ekpeazu, urges the court to dismiss the application for bail revocation and argues that the prosecution has not shown that Mr. Metuh is a flight risk, nor that he has interfered with any witness or the case.
The application was founded on the Criminal Justice Act itself, which permits a court to proceed with hearing in the absence of a defendant. But there must be a determination by the court that the reasons given for his absence were unreasonable or were not satisfactory. And that makes the application for revocation of his bail rather extraordinary. If the court is permitted to proceed in his absence, I don't see why any person will go to the extent of seeking a revocation of his bail unless there is something more to it.
The case has been adjourned to the 24th of January for continuation of arguments.